Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a delightful treat that's perfect for any breakfast or snack time. Krusteaz Gluten-Free Blueberry Muffin Mix. This is not just any muffin mix. It's a gluten-free version of a classic favorite that promises to deliver that same moist and delicious flavor we all love. The Krusteaz Gluten-Free Blueberry Muffin Mix comes in a convenient 15.7-ounce box that includes a can of blueberries, ensuring you have everything you need right at your fingertips. The mix is designed for those who are gluten-sensitive but still crave the wonderful taste of homemade blueberry muffins. It's gluten-free, which means you can enjoy these muffins without worry. Making these muffins is incredibly easy. You'll need just a few additional ingredients: some milk, eggs, and butter. Simply stir the milk, eggs, and melted butter into the mix, and then gently fold in those juicy blueberries. The process takes just minutes, making it a fantastic option for those busy mornings when you want something quick yet delicious. Once your batter is ready, pour it into a muffin pan. The recipe yields about 12 standard muffins or 24 mini muffins, so you can customize based on your needs. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 19 to 21 minutes, and you'll be rewarded with golden brown muffins that are soft and fluffy. As the muffins bake, the aroma fills the kitchen, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Once they're done, let them cool for a couple of minutes before removing them from the pan. Look at these beautifully baked blueberry muffins. They have that perfect golden color and a delightful texture. Just imagine biting into one, soft, moist, and bursting with fresh blueberry flavor. They're perfect for breakfast, as a snack, or even as a sweet treat during the day. The taste is incredible. You can really taste the blueberries, and the muffin itself is not overly sweet, which is just how I like it. It's a wonderful balance of flavors that everyone in the family will enjoy, whether they're gluten-free or not. One of the best features of Krusteaz mixes is their commitment to quality. The ingredients are wholesome and made without artificial flavors or preservatives. So not only are you getting a delicious product, but you're also making a choice that you can feel good about. So, if you're looking for an easy and delicious muffin mix that everyone can enjoy, look no further than Krusteaz Gluten-Free Blueberry Muffin Mix. It's simple, quick to prepare, and absolutely satisfying. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious reviews and recipes. Until next time, happy baking!